Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Melv's Kitchen, where we cook with love and flavor is always our priority. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook Sierra Leone sweet potato leaves with red oil. I start off with washing the potato leaves really good. For some reason, my camera couldn't pick that up. Anyways, next I'm arranging the potato leaves into a manageable bunch and slicing them nice and thin. Make sure you cut off the stem. Fresh leaves always gives the best flavor, so whenever possible, try to use the fresh sweet potato leaves for the best results. Potato leaves are rich with vitamins, antioxidants, iron, fiber, and so on. It's really rich. Once you're done cutting your potato leaves, set it aside. The next step is to prepare your protein. I'm using cow beef. Season it to your taste. I'm adding chicken bouillon, blended pepper, and little bit of black pepper. Mix everything well and let it steam until flavorful and tender. I also added some smoked fish, which I already pre-steamed. This right here is the holy grail, fermented sesame seed, also known as ogiwi. It is so delicious. It brings so much taste to your sauce. And I also added the blended spice, that is habanero pepper and onion. Pour some water and add your Maggi and let everything come to a nice boil so all the flavors can blend together. Now it's time to add in the palm oil along with your protein. I also add some cow skin, so I added that in as well. Let everything boil together beautifully so all the flavors can blend nicely and create a rich, delicious sauce for you. At this point, you can add in your smoked fish depending on the texture you want. If the fish is already very soft, you can wait and add it later. One secret to making a really good potato leaf is to allow the sauce to boil properly until the excess water dries up. Yeah, you don't want the sauce to be watery at all. Now it's time to add in the main ingredient, the potato leaves. Pour the leaves into the pot. Make sure you pour everything, because potato leaf know how to do its thing. Now you're seeing the pot like that. After steaming, everything will just shrink. Then cover it and let it steam, stirring occasionally as it cooks. I add in my one remaining Maggi. Continue stirring gently as it cooks because you don't want the potato leaves to burn. Now I'm adding some extra habanero pepper and sliced onions and habanero pepper mix. It gives the dish a nice spicy kick. Allow it to steam. Honestly, I should have added the whole habanero pepper much earlier, but I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. You know how cooking is going some days. The moment you started to film, everything suddenly disappeared. At this point, allow it to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Another secret to cooking great potato leaves, not to overcook them. You don't want to lose all the nutrients. We want to keep that beautiful green color and fresh appearance. Yep, potato leaf is all done. Look at how rich and vibrant our sauce is looking. If this recipe reminded you of home or made you hungry, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to Melv's Kitchen, and drop your comments telling me what Sierra Leone dish I should make next. Potato leaf is served with rice. Until next time, keep cooking with love. Thank you.